So today we're going to be building a new PC, and these are all the parts that I'm going to have in it. The motherboard I chose is a Asus Prime, the B450M A-2. Beautiful, right? So the first thing we're going to install is our processor, and I chose the Ryzen 5600. Alright, let's install it. It's gonna go in this little compartment right here. We're gonna lift this up. Perfect. Alright, next up we're gonna install the internal SSD. I got a 1 terabyte. Alright. And this is gonna go in this department right here. So now we're gonna put the motherboard and get it screwed in the case. And then I'm going to set up the AIO cooler to the processor. Okay, so behind me is a PC that I just built. Fast forwarding a couple of days, we're gonna test it out, play some Warzone, and see how it performs. Let's get to it. And yes, I play with a remote. I know I need to learn how to use keyboard and mouse, but the lobbies are too sweaty, so I don't have the time to learn with the keyboard and mouse. So I use the Xbox Elite remote. But I used to be a console gamer, so I'm just used to it. It's easier. So let's get to it. Also, come check out this dope mouse pad. I just want to give a quick shout out to the mouse pad company because they sent me out 2 of their mouse pads and I'm loving it so far. And look at this one. It's like a cowboy one. Okay, we're gonna jump into a lobby, run some Warzone, see how the PC performs. Here's the PC. Okay, so the PC runs great. And this one is just my only second PC that I've built myself. And I think it came out amazing. So this is your sign to go out and build your own PC. Try something new and see how it goes. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.